Hello, this is Ruthie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You rock. Today I'm going to be potting up most of my plants into terracotta pots. I decided I wanted them to be more in a uniform pots. Also, I have a huge mess behind me, which is where I have most of the plants that I get cuttings from and use for my little projects. And I also got some plastic shelving that I painted up. So I'm going to show you what I have in mind. So let's get started. Okay, so this here is the mess that I'm talking about. This is where I get all my little cuttings from my projects, and I propagate a bunch of my plants. So I wanted to kind of get them all in uniform pots and get them out of this area here, because my dog Mia loves to get into this area and chase lizards, and she makes all the soil spill everywhere, and I have to go and sweep everything up, which drives me crazy. And she did that today, and I have a huge dirt mess here. My husband, what did he do? Not sandblasted. He did that water thing where he gets all the dirt off of here. I can't remember the name right now, but he did that not so long ago. But she gets all these plants and makes them fall, and I don't want that anymore. So I'm going to try and make it a little neater here. I hate the way this looks. My husband says it's a plant mess. He's not lying. He's not wrong. So I want to get a little more organized, and I want to get these things put in, just condense them and get it looking nicer, because it's not right. Okay, so I'll show you what I did get started. Okay, so I got these plastic shelves from Walmart. They were plain white, and I painted them up this satin oregano, which I think is a really nice color because it matches my decor here really well, and I think it makes it look a little classier and more decorative, this color instead of the plain white. And I intend to put, my plants that were over there in that messy area in the terracotta pots, and then just put them in these plastic shelves, and then put them in that area. So I may need to buy one more set of these, but I'll see what I'm gonna do. But I really like the way they came out, and I ran out of paint, so I have some scuff marks here and there from the terracotta pots because I put them on there too soon because I have no patience. So yeah. When I did paint, I was doing it in the dark, so I used too much paint in certain areas, and yeah, I'm not a good painter. I have no patience. But anyway, this area here, I bought these wooden shelves, and I'm gonna have to get rid of them because with the rain, sun, it's not sturdy, and I feel like it's gonna fall and break. So I bought additional shelves to put in this area. So I'm going to take all of these plants here out of here. Some of them I have terracotta pots for, some of them I don't. Let me just show you this beautiful acacia. Isn't this beautiful? I actually bought this at Walmart. Can you believe it? Look how beautiful. I love it. This is the first one I've ever had of this kind, and I put it into this clearance pot that I bought that was cracked. I never got to paint it, but I just wanted to put it in there because I thought it was so pretty. And excuse my voice again because it's definitely yucky. And this is the leaf and clay order that I potted up before, and it's growing in really nicely. That's a quick update on that one while I'm at it. But let me get to it because I'm probably going to lose light like I did last time when I was trying to finish up potting up all my things. Sorry if I panned really quickly, made anyone dizzy. But I'm going to start potting over here and hopefully show you what I got up to. Okay? I did want to show you guys this, I think it's a shoe rack I bought from Walmart as well. I'm going to paint it up, probably the same green if I have enough of it. And I'm going to use it as a little plant rack as well. It cost me like $6. And this is metal, but this is just plastic. It's sturdy enough to hold like the little planters. And I can hold a lot of them there. So I think once I paint it up, it'll look really cute. But just figured I'd share that with you guys too. Let me get to the potting. Breaking news. Ruthie pots up 25,633 succulents. Amazing! Watch in amazement as Mia follows me everywhere I go, every step I take. My shadow dog. this is basically what I wound up with. And this is 3 of those packages of shelves, which I think worked out really nice. If you remember the mess area I had there before compared to this, and I think this is a little more difficult for me to kind of just get into. Although I'm sure if she really wanted to, she could make a mess, but at least I'm not the one making the mess. So I think it really came out beautiful. I do have a little spots where I need to touch up the paint around there. She even messed up my little glitter finger. Look at her. She chewed it all up. So I do have to do a couple of touch-ups, but I'm really happy with the final product, and I can fit quite a bit of plants here in pots. I mean, I can fit some behind if I want to, and I can add more. I can, add a couple of layers here if I want. I didn't want to go so high here, but I wound up doing it, and I'm not unhappy with it. So I hope you like it. I'm happy with it. Happy with the color. And there she goes. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And excuse my terrible voice. I'm still fighting a cold. Bye.